Conor McGrath here from the product management team at Taoglas, and today I'm proud to introduce the Patriot Series, our most advanced multi-combination antenna built specifically for law enforcement and emergency response vehicles. Engineered for the Ford Interceptor, the Patriot Series integrates up to 18 high-performance antennas into one compact unit, including 5G, 4G MIMO, dual-band Wi-Fi and multi-band GNSS, SDARS and LMR, all in a rugged, low-profile enclosure that eliminates the need for rooftop antenna farms. Designed to fit seamlessly using the OEM antenna mount, it installs easily between roof ribs with a custom foam gasket that ensures a waterproof, interference-free seal. With support for global frequency bands and dual GNSS for centimetre level precision, it's a future-ready solution optimised for high-speed, mission-critical connectivity in the most demanding environments. The IP69K and IK08 rated housing is built to withstand extreme weather and physical impact, making the Patriot Series one of the most robust and compact combination antennas on the market today. To learn more or request samples, reach out to Taoglas or your local distributor. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.